This is a new Ecobox. It's a fully off-grid sustainable dwelling. It's on an elevated floor system. It's fully heavy duty, so it can be picked up on the back of a tow truck. And it's got the wheels so it can be moved around the site nice and easily. For the internal walls, we've used a plywood finish and the MDF ceiling. It's got a nice raked ceiling, so it creates a bit of extra height in the living area. Nice little kitchen tucked behind a wall. It's got soft closed doors. Here's the battery. So this is a lithium battery. So this can keep the place running for about 2 days with the air conditioning running. At the back here, just got a functional little ensuite, shower, vanity. So the kit for this design is $22,000.